Do you look in the closet and have absolutely nothing to wear? Do your clothes represent the look that you want to show the world going forward? Well, if you're sick of wasting time and money on clothes that don't make you feel fabulous, feel beautiful, feel confident, I can help you. I have a free workshop that I am offering to amazing, ambitious women like you to really help you understand and elevate how you show up in the world and help you create a personal brand so that you are attracting people to you both professionally and socially. In the free workshop, we are going to dive into your essence. Who are you? How do you want to show up in the world? We're going to talk about your body shape, what clothing shapes and styles work best for your body. We're going to talk a little bit about color. As a color consultant, I am super passionate about having you wear the right colors because people will be attracted to you. Please join me for these free workshops. I have a couple of dates listed below. Let's help you elevate your style, your confidence, and your personal brand.